welcome back. So today we'll be learning regarding trigonometric table. So trigonometric table is ultimately related to the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric identities. Okay, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Some angles value. Okay, related to your angle degree like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, so to remember trigonometric table, I will give you an easy step. First of all, how to find trigonometric table, I will show you the process. Okay, so इससे पहले हमको जानना है sin theta, which I have already covered in previous videos. So sin theta is what? 1 by cosec theta, or reciprocal of that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, and tan theta is 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta, and reciprocal of cot is 1 by tan theta, that is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, or cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, that is reciprocal of cos and sec. Okay, now to find out the trigonometric table or the trigonometric ratios value, or what we call it, trigonometric identities value, how we have to know first of all sine. Okay, the value for the sine, if you know sine, we can find ultimately all the trigonometric ratios value. So now how to find sine? We know a number can be written as how many tables? 1 2 3 4 5 tables. So we'll write a number from 0 1 2 3 4, that is 1 2 3 4 5 for this 5 degrees. Okay, so ultimately every numbers will divide by 4, so divide it by 4 and make it a square root of that. So what are the values? These all are the values of this. So 0 by 4 square root is 0, 1 square root is 1, 4 square root is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 square root is 1, 2 square root is root 2, 3 square root is root 3, 4 square root is 2, and this one is 4 ones are 4, 1 square root is 1. So D is 0, half 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 is the value for sine. So we'll put it sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 half, 45 1 by root 2, 60, root 3 by 2, 91. Okay, now sine we got. Now cos, how do we get? Just opposite of sine. Opposite in what sense? In the degree change. Okay, 0 degree is opposite, that means interchanging. Last will be first, first will be last. Okay, so 0 will be 90's value, 30 will be 60's value, 45 will be 45. Okay, so for cos, साइन का जो लास्ट है वो फर्स्ट बनेगा, फर्स्ट वाला लास्ट बनेगा. सो ऐसा है, तो फ्रॉम लास्ट साइड यू स्टार्ट इन द कॉस. ओके, कॉस विल बी व्हाट? 1, 60 degree will be 30, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 will be 1 by root 2 itself, half will be half, and 0 will be your, okay, 90 degree. Okay, now tan value, what I told you just now, tan means what? साइन बाय कोस, साइन बाय कोस. सो साइन को कोस से डिवाइड करो. सो टेन के लिए साइन को कोस से डिवाइड करो. 0 बाय 1 इज 0. यस, 1 बाय रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 3 बाय 2, डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर कट, 2 2 कट, 1 बाय रूट 3. Similarly here, denominator denominator cut, root 2 cut, what? 1 by 1 is 1. Similarly here, sine and cos, 2 2 cut, root 3 by 1 is root 3. And here lastly 1 by 0 is what? 1 divided by 0. See, denominator can never be 0, that is why this one is what? Not defined. Okay, you cannot get a rational number, or you cannot get a fraction whose denominator is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Okay, now chord will be what? Same like sine and cos, chord will be tan from interchanging from last to first. Okay, chord will be टेन का जो फर्स्ट है वो लास्ट बनेगा, टेन का जो लास्ट है वो फर्स्ट बनेगा. ओके, सो सिमिलरली कोट के लिए 90 विल बी योर 0 degree, 60 will be your 30, 45 will be 45, 30 will be 60, and 0 will be your chord of 90. Okay, now sec. Sec is what? Sec is 1 by cos. Cos का reciprocal. So 1 divided by 1 is your 1. 1 divided by root 3 by 2 उल्टा बन जाएगा 2 by root 3. 1 divided by half will become root 2 opposite. 1 by 2 will become 2 आगे चला जाएगा 2, and 1 divided by 0 will become not defined. Okay, so this is not defined. Now cosec is what? Sec का interchanging from last to first, same like this. Sin का last, cos का first होता है. Okay, changing from back side. Similarly sec का cosec का sec के साथ same है, just from you have to start from last. So not defined. This will be your 2 ना. 60 क्या बनेगा? 30, 45, 45 भी है, 30 बन जाएगा तुम्हारा 60 और 0 बन जाएगा तुम्हारा 90. Okay, so this is the table how to calculate the table of trigonometric ratios. Sin के साथ cos वाला interchanging from last to first, tan cot के साथ interchanging from first to last, check वाला cosec के साथ interchanging from first to last. This is the process to find out the trigonometric table. Now, how do we find in a shortcut method? How to by heart it shortcut method? I am going to tell you. There is no word like shortcut method. Okay, everything you have to memorize and use it in your brain. जितना बाय हार्ट ले पाएगा इतना ज़्यादा स्पीड हो जाएगा. चलो हम लोग स्पीड कर लेते हैं. तो फिर तो यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट. According to me, you have to by heart sine, tan and sec. Then you can find everything very easily, very speedily. Okay, so sine का क्या है? You just remember 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is your sine. Remember 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, so everything if you remember you can learn by heart. But you have to do shortcut method you have to learn these 3 by heart: sine, tan and sec. Okay, sine का ये मालूम पड़ गया तो cos का उल्टा बनाओ. 90 बन जाएगा 0, 60 बन जाएगा ओके 30 for this cos, 45 बन जाएगा, ये हाफ बन जाएगा और ये 0. सो ओवर साइन मिल गया तो cos मिल गया, खत्म. tan, अभी tan का बाय हार्ट कर. tan का क्या था? 0, 1 बाई रूट 3. 1 वाला चला जाएगा इधर, नीचे वाला चला जाएगा इधर रूट 3. ओके, नॉट डिफाइंड. ऐसे बाय हार्ट कर ले. देखो 0, 1 बाई रूट 3, फिर नेक्स्ट के लिए ऊपर वाला चला गया, नीचे वाला चला गया, फिर नॉट डिफाइंड. थोड़ा ऐसे सिस्टम को बाय हार्ट करने का कोशिश कर. tan अगर मालूम पड़ गया तो कोड ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. कैसे? नॉट डिफाइंड रूट 3, 1, 1 बाई रूट 3, 0. ओके, सो ये खत्म हो गया. सेक वाला अभी 1, 2 बाई रूट 3, रूट 2, 2, नॉट डिफाइंड. ये बाय हार्ट करना है. देखो 1 आ गया, 2 बाई रूट 3, 2 का स्क्वायर रूट चला गया, इसका स्क्वायर 2 है, सो नॉट डिफाइंड. ऐसा टाइप थोड़ा दिमाग में लाने का कोशिश करते. फिर सेक आ गया तो कोसेक वाला क्या होगा? नॉट डिफाइंड 2, रूट 2, 2 बाई रूट 3, 1. देखो खत्म. सो ये थोड़ा इजी दिमाग में खेलने के लिए तुमको साइन जाना पड़ेगा. tan sec. सपोज तुमको cosec 60 बोला तो cosec 60 तुम बाय हार्ट कर ले sec 30. sec 30 मतलब 2 बाई रूट 3. सो दिमाग में लगा दे 2 बाई रूट 3. सो बहुत आसान है. तो ये वाला स्टेप थोड़ा तुम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व वन क्वेश्चन. ओके, एज फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस वन क्वेश्चन. सी, sin 60. We know what is sin 60. The value of sin 60 we know root 3 by 2. Yes, sin 60 value is what? Root 3 by 2. Now see cos 30. We don't know what is cos 30. So cos 30 is, I told you now, reciprocal of not reciprocal, opposite of 30 is 60. So to get cos we know sin 60. Sin 60 is ultimately cos 30. So see sin 60 is cos 30. So root 3 by 2 plus, now sin 30. We know sin 30. I told you to by heart sin 30. What is sin 30? Half. Now I told you no need to take by heart cos 60 because sin 30 if you know cos you will know. So in sin 30 it is the opposite of what 60. So 30 का 60 बनेगा तो 30 हाफ है तो cos 60 का भी हाफ ही होगा. So √3 into √3 square 2 to the 4 plus 1 by 2 to the 4. So 4 LCM √3 square means 3 plus 1. That means 4 by 4 is your 1. So this is the method to find the trigonometric table and to by heart the trigonometric table in a shortcut way to save your time. Okay, by heart sin tan sec. Ultimately इसका sin का opposite है तुम्हारा cos, tan का opposite है तुम्हारा cot, sec का opposite है तुम्हारा cosec. So if you by heart sin tan sec, you can save a time in solving this kind of question. Okay, that's it. Thank you. And if you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe.